Welcome back, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On one side, we have the Hiturbo drone with a 1080p camera, and on the other, the Atop drone. Let the battle of the skies begin. First up, let's talk about the cameras. Hiturbo boasts a 1080p camera, which is like having a decent smartphone attached to a flying machine. Perfect for capturing those breathtaking aerial shots. Reviewers say that while the camera quality is good, it can be a bit laggy. Meanwhile, the Atop drone flaunts a 2K camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens, offering superior image quality. However, some users have reported issues with the associated app. If you want your drone to see more than you ever will, Atop takes the cake here. Now, let's talk about flight time. Hiturbo promises up to 24 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries, giving you plenty of time to explore. Reviewers appreciate the extended flight time, but note that the batteries take around 2 hours to charge. On the other hand, Atop offers 20 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. Users have mentioned that while the flight time is decent, additional batteries are recommended for longer sessions. Both give you enough time to have fun, but Hiturbo edges out just a bit longer. Next, let's talk about control options. Hiturbo lets you fly with either a remote or your smartphone via the Hiturbo FPV app. It offers features like voice control and gesture control, but some users find it challenging to switch between modes. Atop offers 1-button takeoff and landing, 1 key return, and altitude hold for steady shots. It also includes voice control and can perform a 360 degrees flip. Users appreciate Atop's versatility, although some find the app unresponsive. In terms of control, Atop definitely wins in the versatility department. Let's face it, most of us are beginners when it comes to flying drones. Hiturbo claims to be perfect for newbies with its easy operation and simple setup. Reviewers highlight its durability and ease of use, making it suitable for all ages. Atop, meanwhile, comes with a carrying case and is foldable, making it super portable. Users appreciate its user-friendly design, although some find it difficult to control initially. Both are pretty user-friendly, but Atop's extra features might just give it a slight edge. Finally, let's talk about the price. Hiturbo comes in at a wallet-friendly $79. Reviewers find it to be a great value for money, especially given its features and performance. Atop, on the other hand, is priced at $99. While it offers more features and a higher quality camera, some users feel that the price might be a bit steep considering the issues with the app and battery life. If you're looking to save some cash, Hiturbo is your go-to. But if you want those extra bells and whistles, Atop is worth the extra bucks. Overall, the Hiturbo drone is praised for its durability, ease of use, and value for money, making it a great choice for beginners and younger users. The Atop drone, while offering superior camera quality and more features, has received mixed reviews due to issues with the app and battery life. However, its versatility and user-friendly design make it a popular choice among older children and those looking for advanced features. So there you have it, folks. The Hiturbo drone is great for beginners and those on a budget, while the Atop drone offers more features and a higher quality camera. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode. Until next time, happy flying. Product links are in the description.